send that thing my way. Sure smell good to me. Hi love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited, as I always am. I'm always excited about fragrance videos, but today I'm going to be talking about a fragrance line that I raved about in my 2020 fragrance collection video, and that is the Clean Beauty line. I talked about how much I love warm cotton, how it's so fresh and so clean. It smells like a basket of laundry. It's just so fresh. I also talked about how much I love their skin scent. These are nice, organic, natural smelling type of fragrances. This is for those who want to smell nice but don't really want to do the whole perfumey, cologne-y, strong, overbearing type of smell. You want something light and fresh and just says, hey, I cleaned up and I even thought about adding a little shine on top. Now, these are the type of fragrances that will confuse people. It's like, dang, is that really her skin that smells so good, or his skin that smells so good? Is it their lotion? You can't really pinpoint this as a fragrance, you know? And that's what I like about it. It's real sneaky like that. This is why I think that this line in general is like the perfect bedtime fragrance, perfect going to the gym fragrance, because it's very light and fresh and it doesn't smell like... Now, I know you didn't just put on perfume to come to the gym. I know you didn't just get in this bed with perfume on. Yes, I did. And do. And does. And will. Okay? Ain't nothing wrong with it. As you know, I love Clean. And I kept seeing the advertisement for 2 of their newest fragrances. And I was like, have to get my hands on them. So I went to every Sephora, you know, Ulta lines that I knew carried them, and no one had these specific fragrances in their store. Sephora, for instance, they only carry the Reserve line, and those bottles don't look like this. If you check out my 2020 perfume collection video, you will see what I'm talking about, because I showed the type of bottle that the Reserve line has. So I was forced to blind buy, and I am not an advocate of blind buys, because I just feel like, why am I spending money on something if I don't even know if I'm gonna like it? However, I was able to read up on the notes and things of that nature, and plus these were not that expensive, so it didn't, you know, kill me to buy it before smelling it. Now, with me going to the Clean Beauty website, I actually didn't even know that they have room sprays as well. So this one is the warm cotton that I always tell you guys how much I love, and you can see that nice little dent that I have put in that. Okay, I keep this in my bathroom. I'll spray it in my bathroom, spray it in my room. Heavenly. And I feel like it's perfect as a room scent, because just like the perfume itself, the warm cotton that I love, it smells like laundry, fresh laundry. So we're not gonna spend all this time, you know, talking about all of that. We're just gonna get straight into the fragrances. I've wasted enough time. So the first one we're gonna be talking about is the Clean Classic line, and this fragrance is called Sunshine. This was their summertime limited edition release that came out this year, and I kept seeing the advertisement and I'm like, I have to get my hands on this. I want to smell it so bad. So that's what the bottle looks like. I kind of have to tilt it for you to be able to see. Bam! There you go. I got the larger bottle of this one. Well, not larger, it only comes in one size, so that's why I got the size that I did. I have the notes pulled up right here, so I will be reading those off to you in a second. First, I'm going to spray this fragrance. Now, first off, let me tell you that all of these are very much unisex. Unisex AF. The first thing I pick up on is kind of like a cucumbery fresh, citrus fruity type of vibe. Very tropical, definitely reminds me of like laying in the sun. It smells sun-kissed. I mean, it's literally called Sunshine, and I think that's an amazing name to describe how it smells. Oh, so beachy. Perfect to wear to the beach too, because just like with going to the gym or, you know, a fragrance that you wear to bed, you're not looking for it to last forever. You just want something to throw on, to have some type of smell. Oh, I love this one. I personally think it complements a man better. It is unisex. I think it leans a little bit more masculine. Very sexy, fresh, clean, sparkly, tropical. Oh, I love I let my older brother smell this, and he was dang near trying to rip it out of my hands. And I was like, I can't give it to you because I have to review it. And so he's like, okay, well, after your little review, you know, do your little review and then send that thing my way. Sure smell good to me. So in the top notes of this fragrance, we have bergamot, cassis, I think that's how you say it, green apple, and freesia. In the middle notes, we have violet leaves, heliotrope, and muguet, N-U-G-U-E-T, whatever that, however you pronounce that, that's in it. And then in the base, we have coconut milk, orris, and musk. Y'all know I love musk in the base. The coconut milk kind of smooths it out, gives it a little bit of creaminess in the base, but oh yeah, I definitely get that soapy clean smell in the base from that musk. Definitely pick up on the heliotrope. Maybe it's that green apple that's giving me this fruity tropical vibe. Yeah, because my nose can't quite pinpoint what fruit that smells like, but oh, this is so nice. I'm trying to think of what specific island this smells like. Like, it's so tropical. It just gives me like palm trees, suntan lotion, the sun hitting you, and then you smelling like all the fruits from the trees that are growing around you, and people are walking up to you with mixed drinks out of a coconut or a pineapple. Like, that's what I get from this. But it's still fresh and clean. It's not too tropical and too fruity to where it's like, if a man wears it, you're gonna be like, is that a woman's fragrance? Like, I could very well see this on a man and genuinely just thinking he has good hygiene. This whole line in general, Clean Beauty, is the type of fragrance that makes people question, like, is that them that smell so good, like their skin, or is it the fragrance? Are they wearing a fragrance? What even are you? Like, it's so ambiguous. Oh, I love, 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 love. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. I really, really like it. I didn't like it as much at first. Not that I didn't like the scent, I think that my hopes were just so high. And again, that's what happens with blind buying, because you kind of get your head in a space and you kind of start to try and imagine what it would smell like. And so I don't think that I was disappointed in the smell. It just was very different than what I imagined. Yeah, definitely love that one. 9 out of 10. And this one is Sunshine by Clean. It's very, very nice for the summertime, very light and fresh. The next fragrance is another by Clean. It's called Pure Soap. I got this one in the 1 ounce bottle, and I am so furious that I got it in the small bottle, because I would have rather, like, I wanted to get both of them in the small because I was blind buying. But like I said, this one only came in one size, so I didn't really get much of an option. But I got this one in a small simply because there was the option to get it in a small, and I'm mad because I want a bigger bottle. This one is called Pure Soap, and the bottle looks like so. Y'all can already tell by my face that I love this one. So that bottle is closer to being full. This one is about halfway done already because I wear this very, very often. Oh, can't contain myself. This is exactly what the F it says it is. Purely soap. Pure soap. This is so freaking unisex because it is so androgynous. It is so, I mean, everyone wears soap. Everyone uses soap. Wears soap. Do you wear soap? Hey, you like my outfit today? I got on soap, girl. Oh my gosh. So intoxicating. This is my favorite bedtime scent, and prior to ever having this, Warm Cotton was my go-to bedtime scent. Ladies, even fellas, I'm telling you right now, wear this when you get in the bed with your man, take a shower, get all buttered up, you know, and put this on. Wear this to your appointments, okay? So fresh, so clean. They're gonna be like, did you bring the shower with you? Like, did you literally get out the shower the same time you got out of the car? Because how is this soap smell still so potent on you? Dude, oh my freaking goodness. Like, I'm telling you from experience, wear it to bed, they gonna eat it up. The same day that I let my brother smell the sunshine and he said that he liked it, I let my sister smell the same fragrances as well. She was about to fight me over this. She was like, no, like, give it to me. Like, I want it right now. And I'm like, I'm sorry. Even after I film this video, you still can't have it because I need it. And I'm buying another bottle and I'm getting a bigger bottle and I'm going to keep this in my collection forever. This is my go-to bedtime scent because it's like, honestly speaking, as much as I love clean, I would not wear any of their fragrances to like date night or going out with my friends or something like that. And not because I don't like the smell. I love the smell, but it's not potent enough. It's not strong enough. It's so light and fresh, which is why it's perfect for the occasions that I named: going to bed, going to the gym, going to the beach, somewhere where you're not necessarily supposed to wear fragrance. I just love it so much. It's so fresh and soapy and clean. Like, I literally don't know how else to describe it. Like, I'm trying to think of like what specific soap it smells like. It definitely smells like a bar soap, not like a body wash. It smells like a legitimate bar soap. Let me just go ahead and read you the notes. So in the top notes we have aldehydes, I think that's how you say it, aromatic accord, mandarin. In the middle notes we have cyclamen, jasmine, lavender, and then in the base we have orange blossom, sandalwood, and musk. What do I tell you guys about sandalwood in the base and musk in the base? That is how you round out a fragrance and you bring it home, baby. And I love orange blossom. I don't pick up on any orange blossom or any mandarin in it. I get the jasmine, the lavender, the heavy on the musk, the aldehydes, but I'm not getting that citrusy, like there's no citrus in this whatsoever to me. When they say pure soap, they mean pure soap, pure, literally, just like here's a bar of soap. So good. And again, like I said about these not being fragrances that I would wear, you know, like out and about, they're not necessarily sexy because they don't have like all of these like really strong pheromone, like attracting type of things, but these are more intimate scents, which is why they're perfect for like when you're cuddling and you're in bed, and it's like you wear them just for your partner, you know? Like when I'm staying at home and I like to smell good regardless. I don't do it for other people. When I'm home by myself, I still get my butt up and take a shower, and I still put on all my lotions and my smell goods and this, that, and the third. And of course I have to have a perfume. So when I'm at home and I'm chilling, I'll wear like body sprays, or I will wear something by Clean because I don't want to waste my good stuff. I have $400 fragrances. I'm not gonna wear that to just wear around the house. You wear that when you're going out to find a husband. You wear that when you're going out with your girls or something like that. But these are not gonna be attention grabbers. So do not get these with the intentions of finding like a signature scent and one that people are always gonna remember you by. Now, I'm pretty remembered for this, but in bed. And then not only that, but like when you wear this and then you go to bed, your sheets start to smell like it. Ladies, fellas, if you don't already, wear a fragrance to bed. When you wake up in the morning, it's not gonna be there, but do it for you. Even when you sleep alone, do it for you. When you sleep with your significant other, it's just gonna be icing on the cake. But 30 days makes a habit, baby. So if you start doing it while you're on your own, then it's already gonna be second nature when you get around somebody else. I'm telling you, baby. Scent is everything. Scent is associated with your memories. It evokes so many emotions. There are so many times when you can just walk in the mall, you smell Auntie Anne's pretzels baking and it takes you back to a place. You know, just little things like that. You go to grandma's house and you smell them cooking. So scent is so much deeper than just fragrance. It's associated with memories. It's associated with people. I've never publicly said anything about this on my channel, but my father is deceased. And there are so many cologne fragrances that take me back to my childhood and make me feel like I am still with him. My dad was very much into fragrances like I am, and I remember you know, shortly after my parents had divorced, my mom and I were living together, and she noticed that I started wearing fragrances to bed, and she's like, did you know your dad used to do that, or your dad does that? I was like, no. Some things are legitimately hereditary. Your fragrance is what's gonna top it off. Fragrance is your best accessory. I stand by that because it will make or break it. Baby, you can be out here looking like a baddie, and if you do not smell good, it just took you from a 10 to a 2. That quick. Maybe, no, yeah, 2. Because for me, if I see a fine guy and he comes up to me and he talks to me and he's musty and like, no offense, if he's like a little pungent, a little frowsy, as my island people would say, a bit frowsy, yeah. I'm not talking to him. That tells me everything I need to know about a man. And same with a woman. You can't sit up here and tell me you're a bad bee and you're so bougie and this, that, and the third, and you don't even keep yourself clean, baby. You don't even smell good. And that doesn't mean that if you don't wear perfume that you're not a bad bee. I'm not saying that, but it's the perfect accessory to enhance how good you smell. You make it so that people notice it, because no one's gonna smell you a mile away from using Dove. I need people to notice me before I walk in the room, because you smell my fragrance before I even enter, and then you still smell it after when I leave, because it's lingering behind. That is the beauty of fragrance. I love it here. So yes, for rating, I am going to give the Pure Soap an 11 out of 10. I love it, I love it, I love it. I will continue to buy it. I would buy the Sunshine again. I just would get the smaller bottle because I think that it would take me too long to get through this. And it's just because between the two of them, I'm always gonna reach for this one first. But this, I think, would be so nice for men this summer. I really wanted to include this one in my men's summertime fragrance video, but I wanted to dedicate that one specifically to the fragrances that I got from Fragrance Lovers. I knew that I wanted to do a separate dedicated video just to Clean Beauty, because these are their 2 newest fragrances and the ones that I have seen the most advertisement about, and I've had people actually ask me about these fragrances. I haven't necessarily had anyone ask me about Pure Soap, but I've had plenty of people ask me about Sunshine and what I thought about it. And I told them that I did have the fragrance. I was giving it some time to test out. I wanted to wear it around, see the longevity of it and everything like that. I will say that I believe the Sunshine has a better longevity than the Pure Soap, but again, I'm not wearing this for longevity. I'm wearing it just to make my little statement and go. Yeah, so Sunshine definitely can go either way. All of their fragrances are definitely unisex, but I think that Sunshine would be so sexy on a man. So nice. If I smell that on him, it's gonna be a problem, okay? But I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that this was informative and helpful. I hope that it helped you make a decision about which Clean Beauty fragrance you want to get, if any, or if this video made you want to get one of these that you weren't even considering. Sorry for hurting your pockets. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment and share with me your opinion on these fragrances if you have smelled them, or you can tell me which of the Clean Beauty fragrances is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.